Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset a forgotten password on Windows 10 or Windows 11 without losing any data and without using a USB or CD. At this point, it seems like there's no way in, but don't worry, even if you're not very tech savvy, just follow along step by step. It's actually quite simple. Step 1. Access recovery options. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key. While holding it, click the power icon in the bottom right corner of the login screen. Select Restart and keep holding Shift until you see a black screen, then you can let go. You'll soon see a blue screen that says Choose an option. Step 2. Open Advanced Tools. Click on Troubleshoot. Then go to Advanced Options. Scroll down and select See More Recovery Options. Click on System Image Recovery. A small window may pop up, just cancel it. Click Next, then choose Advanced, and then click Install a driver. Hit OK when prompted. This will open a File Explorer window. This is where we'll do the main part. Step 3. Replace Utility Manager with Command Prompt. On the left side, click on this PC. Now double-click on the C drive where Windows is usually installed. Go to the Windows folder. Scroll down and double-click System32. Here, look for a file named Utilman. It's a large folder, so it might take a few seconds to load. Tip: quickly press the U key twice to jump closer to it. Once you find Utilman, right-click on it and choose Rename. Rename it to something like Utilman 12 and press Enter. Next, look for a file named CMD Command Prompt. Press the C key, then M quickly to jump closer to cmd.exe. When you find it, right-click, choose Rename, and rename it to Utilman. This swap is important. It will allow us to open Command Prompt from the login screen. Step 4. Restart and reset password. Close all open windows until you're back at the blue screen. Click Continue to start Windows normally. Once you're back at the login screen, click on the accessibility icon bottom right corner. Instead of the usual options, Command Prompt will open. Now type the following command. Control user passwords 2, then hit Enter. This opens the user accounts window. Select your user account. Click on Reset Password. Either leave the new password fields blank to remove the password completely, or enter a new one. Click OK, and then OK again. Now close everything and enter your new password on the login screen. And that's it. You're back into your computer, no USB, no data loss. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Crown Geek, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.